Hi, this is Todd Baker, your certified mortgage planner, and this is another edition of Todd Talks. And today I want to show you how you can expand your opportunities and grow your commission revenue by offering way more products and sort of expanding your mind as to what those products could be. So I'm going to go over a brief overview of the traditional projects and then just a quick overview of some unique things we do at Service First to help you grow your business. So let's jump right in. So first, FHA. FHA, you guys all know, but a couple things just to know when to use this. Remember, this is for borrowers with just really okay credit. That's where FHA has its strength. It has seller pay closing up to 6%. That's the highest of any loan program. And right now, sellers are willing to offer funds to close. So for somebody that has limited cash, that's a huge opportunity. We can get scores down to 600, sometimes even down to 580, depending on the situation. We have down payment assistance, it allows for gifts, and we even have a repair escrow of up to $500. USDA loans, 100% financing. This is great for people that are in a rural area. The one thing I would say about USDA is that it does have stricter credit guidelines. It says flexible right here, but it's stricter than FHA. So you need the right borrower for that because the debt ratios are lower. Where FHA has expanded debt ratios, USDA is more restrictive. The down payment assistance program. We have all the down payment assistance programs. You can get up to 5% of the loan amount. Usually it never has to be forgiven. And that's a great way to get a first-time home buyer that lacks capital into a home. So know that the lack of capital, when you combine this with FHA, is never an objection that can't be overcome. For VA loans, 100% financing. The thing to know about VA loans is if you ever have someone that's with a different lender and it gets declined, always get it over to me for a second look. When structured right, it's very easy to get someone approved with a VA loan because it has great flexibility with their debt ratios when you know how to structure it. Next is condo lending. Condos can be very tricky, but we're experts at getting condos warranted or for conventional financing. We also have non-warrantable condos, so if it doesn't qualify for conventional, we do have some outlets for that. Let me know. Next is jumbo loans. Our jumbo loan will be anything over $729,200 going into 2023. We have jumbo for as little as 10% down on a jumbo loan. So really what you're looking at is, $800,000 and above. For loans $1 million and below, we underwrite those directly. And we have excellent pricing on our jumbo loans in terms of interest rates. So jumbo loans we can definitely do. So that gets you in your luxury home market. So don't shy away from luxury homes. Also for new builds, we have our own building incentive. We are the only lender. We offer $2,650 in closing costs and can often match what the builder's doing. And that allows your borrower and you to be in control of the finance part of the transaction with your own lender and not the builder's lender who reports to the builder. We also do in-term construction and land loans. And that is huge because when you get somebody that wants to, say, do a custom build, you can still help them get a land loan and acquire the lot. Now, your commission isn't as big, but a commission on a land purchase and a client for your database for future referrals is better than not getting one done at all. So what we do is our loans are for 18 months. They're designed to help somebody build a home, and we take them out with a construction loan. Next is innovation loans, another big one. Remember, if you have a buyer that likes a location, that likes a layout, that likes the lot, but it needs a lot of work, we have renovation loans. We have 203K, and we also have the home style renovation, which is the conventional version. And if it's just minor repair, we do have $5,000 repair escrow and $10,000 for FHA and $10,000 on conventional loans. And I've saved a lot of deals where there was some small little thing on an FHA loan, and the buyer's lender couldn't do anything. They send it over to me. I put it in a repair escrow. We close and we move on down the road. So where we close and then the work's done is how that works on those repair escrow programs. Next is lock and shop. So how about this? Lock now, shop for 90 days, and you get to lower the rate to market rate once you actually have a contract. That's a great program. Bank statement loans, great for those people that you say, hey, I can't qualify because I write everything off of my taxes, but they have plenty of cash flow. I can get them into a home. We use 12 to 24 months personal or business bank statements. Rates are about 2% over market. So, for example, if regular rates are 6.5%, their rate might pay 8.5%. But who cares if they could buy a house? And this is the only way for them to actually purchase real estate. And I know how to sell them and show them the actual financial gain. I have the tools and the skills to do that. Next is investor cash flow. If you have someone that found a house that cash flows but they don't qualify, we can qualify off the rental of that house alone. We also have near miss. Near miss, check this out. It doesn't qualify for a loan now, but will in 18 months. We'll do the loan for them in our near miss product. Extended lock program. How about locking up for a whole year? We have that available. Payment saver program. This is what I talked to last week. So I'm going to wrap this video up, which is a couple things. Payment saver and rate lock. Payment saver is also payment subsidy. So right now, you can fill your pipeline up by getting people into the payment subsidy program. We get the seller-funded payment subsidy that subsidizes the borrower's payment for 24 months. It's usually called a 2-1 or 3-1 buy down. I don't like that term because what actually happens is the money gets put into an escrow account, subsidizes the borrower's payment, and then if they refinance prior to the expiration of that subsidy, that money pays down their principal, which that's amazing, right? That's such a huge benefit to the buyer. And we have a rate shop program, a rate protection program, where we actually will refinance with no lender fees, a credit back for the appraisal, discounted title, and preferred pricing on the rate within 36 months. So you can buy now, marry the house, date the rate. I can do that for you and your buyers. Reach out if you'd like to dive a little bit deeper into any of these. I hope you guys have a great day.